Kapamilya Big Four? Huwag na natin patagalin pa. Let's kick things off with our fourth big placer, the sporty business bro of Muntinlupa City, River Joseph! Hello, River. Yes, hi, River. Okay, River, greet muna ang ating friends from the media.
Hello guys, kumusta kayo? Sana nakakain na kayo and let's have a good show. Thank you po.
Thank you so much, River. Okay, ito naman, our third big placer, ang sensational viral beshi ng Davao del Sur. Let's give it up for Esnir! Yes, Queen. Hey, love it. Hello, Esnir. Okay, o diba? Isang Blackpink naman dyan.
Ay, hello po! Hello, y'all! Yes! Lalo sa mga kapwa pulis ko dyan. Hello po sa lahat. Good evening.
Alright, thank you so much, Esnir. Okay, go ahead. Okay, ngayon naman, our second big placer, none other than the dutiful judo son ng Cavite. We have Ralph De Leon! Hello, Ralph.
Hello everyone, thank you so much for coming today. Sa lahat ng nanonood and syempre sa lahat ng friends natin sa media. Let's have fun, let's have a good press run today.
Yes, thank you so much, Ralph. Alright, ngayon naman, let's all give a warm round of applause, of course, to our first ever collab big winner. Let's give it up to, or for, our Gentilino heartthrob ng Tarlac, Brett Manalo! Hi, Brett!
Hello po, hi. Ayan. Magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. Thank you for taking the time para samahan kami ngayon. Napaka-importanting araw nito para sa amin lahat. Kaya maraming salamat po.
O, diba guys, grabe, kasama po natin ngayon ang kapamilya artist natin, part ng Big Four collab ng PBB. First of all guys, congratulations, diba? I love it. And of course, gusto ko lang malaman kung sino naman kayo after the big night. How was everything?
Sobrang busy namin pahinga for the past few days, but then we've been waiting for this for so long, to be in the outside world, to be working again, and it just feels good to be outside again.
Sobrang grateful, of course, at sobrang blessed. No, syempre, nakabalik talaga kami sa outside world. Feeling namin mga bagong silang. Yes, mga bagong silang ulit. Pero super happy sa mga natatanggap namin pagmamahal from the outside world and from the people na sumusuporta sa amin. Kaya, thank y'all.
For me, it's all overwhelming. Sobrang grabe talaga yung napakitang support at pagmamahal sa amin and pati sa mga ex-housemates na hindi talaga namin ina-expect na ganito pala kalakas talaga yung season namin. So we're so happy and so grateful for all the love we've received so far.
Ako, syempre, malaking bagay sa amin po na yung pag-abot ng Big Four, pero yung nakalabas kami ng outside world. Sa loob po, inisip namin, siguro meron tayong 10,000 na dumagdag sa followers. Pero ganito po pala kalaki yung edition namin, kaya overwhelming po. So,
Congratulations guys. I think we made history not only for being the first ever collab, but for being the biggest season ata ng PBB. Tama? I think so. Ito yung biggest season ng PBB, kaya congratulations guys. And thank you for being a part of that. And ngayon, since this is a very special day for everyone, we actually prepared something special for you guys. Kaya naman, let's all watch this. Alright, friends of the media, palakpakan po natin ang ating kapamilya Big Four! Grabe, congratulations again guys. And feel ko, medyo mainit na ulit dito, di ba, sa ating media room. Kaya, painitin pa natin ulit with our questions from the media. So now let's open our Q&A floor, or Q&A portion for our Big Four. So to kick things off, of course, we have here questions from Charmy Joy Pagulong of Philippine Star. First up for Brett. Okay. Brett, what is something about you that most people don't know?
siguro yung sa pagsaling po ng PBB, para sa akin ito na yung last straw ko for showbiz. Like, if hindi pa nag-work sa akin yung PBB, siguro baka complete na ako. Since ilang nakailang rejections din po kasi yung experience ko, and may time na hindi na ako naniniwala na it was ever possible for me to really make it big in showbiz. Kaya yun.
Grabe, no? It's so interesting kasi parang I feel like a lot of people who are at their last straws, biglang nagbo-boom yung career, just like Brent. Kaya congratulations, big winner of our collab. Thank you so much. Ito naman, our next question is for Esnir. Okay, Esnir, what is the greatest lesson that you've learned from your PBB journey?
First of all, hello po sa mga media po natin. Maraming salamat po sa effort at sa time na pagpunta po. Siguro, greatest lesson is mas naging appreciative ako dito sa bahay ni Kuya. Lalo na po sa mas naging thankful po ako sa mga little things like dito sa bahay ni Kuya, limited kami sa pagkain, tapos minsan feel namin kulang kami sa tulog, ganyan. So, mas na-appreciate ko po yung family po namin dito kasi sila po yung naging kasama ko sa outside world. Sila po yung naging kasama ko dito sa buong journey ko po dito. Yes. Kaya, ayun, na-appreciate ko yung mga kahit ano lang, kahit saging, kahit itlog, na-appreciate ko at na-appreciate ko na katabi ko sa pagtulog si Crush and charit na. Pero, ayun, I am so grateful sa mga things and things.
Thank you so much, Esnir. Grabe, no, yung ginagawa ng PBB talaga. Diba? You're appreciative of the small things, you become present, walang phone and everything, relationship. Kaya thank you so much, Esnir. And thank you as well to Charlie Joy of Philippine Star. Okay, ngayon naman, we would like to call on Juno Reyes of Rappler. Hi, Juno.
So, first for Brent, so have you seen the edits na lagi ka rin nagsiselos kapag may malapit na lalaki kayo?
Actually, kanina lang na-mention sa akin yan. Hindi ko nga alam yun eh. Wala kang ganon. Siguro, ewan, hindi ko na alam. Hindi ko masagot kasi hindi mo na nagagawa idea kung ano ginagawa. Ano bang ginagawa ka doon sa clips? Paano ba?
Nagpo-walk out ata.
Sino yun?
Oo.
Yun lang, yun ang masasabi ko.
And then this question is for Ralph. So in 2024, you starred in Zoomers and then in High School. And after your PBB selection, you booked more roles very soon. So how did your time in the PBB house help you improve your craft of what an actor?
Well, my stay in the PBB house, grabe talaga yung naging emotional journey ko dito. And I think as an actor, it's very important to keep in touch with your emotions. And grabe, minsan sinasabi ko na nga talaga na dito ko lang talaga yung nararamdaman yung ibang emotions, like very new to me. So the fact that I'm able to feel those feelings, I'm able to process those things with the people around me, I feel like that's gonna make me even a better actor.
Thank you. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Ms. Juno Reyes from Rappler. Okay, ngayon naman, we have questions from John Bueno of Kumakaw.com. Okay, for Brent. Okay, Brent, there were reports that you did not accept the prize from PBB and delegated it for charity. Is there truth to that? And can you tell us why you did it?
Actually, hindi pa namin siya talaga na gagawa since wala pa naman sa amin. But it came about when we had a task before na yung magiging winner would be able to give 150,000 to the children charity. But then, we lost. So yung promise namin ni Mika, na paglabas, bibigyan namin kami ng mag-aabot ng 150,000 na yun. But since we became big winners na hindi na namin expect, yun na yung ipapamahagi namin sa akin.
Wow. Keeping the promise. I love it. Thank you so much, Brent. Okay, ngayon naman, for Ralph. When you got out of the house, did you see a lot of netizens? Or did you see that a lot of netizens were fantasizing about you? Yes. How comfortable are you with your skin? And if a project requires you to show your skin, would you be okay with it?
Well, about that, actually, yes, nakita ko yung mga edits, yung mga posts about siguro my body and the bodies of the other housemates. And I think we all can take it with a grain of salt. Syempre, there are boundaries to everything. And as long as it's done with respect, syempre, I appreciate it also. With regards to the projects naman, you know, if it's a good project, if it's something that I really want to do and it requires also for me to show some skin, then why not?
Ready for mature roles. I love it, Kongka. Thank you so much, Ralph. Okay, ito naman, for Esnir. Okay, a lot of people were rooting for you and were actually expecting you to win since the very beginning. Did you feel the same way, or were you, when you were announced as runner-up, did you feel bad about it?
Yes, sa lahat ng mga nag-root po sa akin, Huwag kayo mag-alala, paparutkanan ko kayo lahat. Maraming salamat po, of course. Super happy na may mga taong nagmamahal sa akin at naniniwala po sa amin ni Charlie na may panalo po namin yung big winner. Actually, ako din, yun din yung nilalaban ko talaga ever since. I've been vocal about it since day 1, day 2 dito sa bahay. Pero nung nakuha po namin yung third place, day by day, mas natatanggap ko siya at day by day, mas na-realize ko na it's not a loss for me. Na, in fact, it's a bonus na lang din sa amin na may isang LGBTQIA+ community na nag-represent sa aming community na nakaabot ng Big Four, and it's already a big thing for me. And also, siguro, mas yung goal ko talaga dito is mag-share ng story ko, maging voice sa mga breadwinner, lalo na yung issue ko dito about my father, ganyan. So, feeling ko dun pala is palala na talaga. At siguro din na-realize ko na yung pinakapulot ko talaga dito is hindi mo lahat makukuha, like even the top spot hindi mo makukuha, pero may makukuha kang mas more valuable dito. At ito yung truth, ito yung character namin, at of course, the story na share namin sa tao. So, yes. Thank y'all, and I'm super excited na I will step into my new chapter with so much love around me, at lalo na sa mga tao dyan. Maraming salamat, hindi ko alam kung ano yung nakita nyo sa akin, pero I will try to not make you disappoint. Yes, love y'all.
Thank you so much, Esnir. Guys, magingay naman tayo para sa mga LGBTQ.
Yes!
Buhay ang mga bakla!
Mabuhay ang mga bakla!
Exactly. Thank you so much, Esnir. And thank you as well to John Bueno, hinapagcow.com. Okay, ito naman, we would like to call on Roldan Castro of Abante tonight. Showbiz Police. Okay. Ako palang magbabasa ng questions. Okay, for River. Okay, River, may mga messages or comments ka bang nabasa paglabas ng bahay ni Kuya na masasabi mong nagmarka sa'yo in a positive and negative way?
Actually, paglabas namin, I haven't had time really to scroll through social media. Sobrang busy namin the past few days. Nag-online na ako para mag-post usually. Pero may nakita na akong mga posts rin doon. Negatively, wala masyado. It was more of love and support. Pero nagulat talaga ako sa mga edits doon sa mga TikTok. Nagulat ako na trending pala kayo ng gray pants. Yun lang. More of natutuwa lang ako sa mga lahat ng mga edits at mga na-clip sa buong journey namin dito.
Daddy's home. Oo, diba? Sa Maria. Thank you so much, River. Okay, ito naman, Esnir. Esnir, paano binago ng PBB ang buhay mo nung nasa outside world ka?
Wow! Sobrang binago niya talaga, like 360. Ganon yung pagbago ng buhay namin. Of course, mas nag-open yung mga doors for opportunities para sa akin at para sa pamilya ko. And at the same time, nung pumasok ako dito, parang wala pa akong strength talaga masyado. At nung paglabas ko, masasabi ko na strong na ako since napagdaanan na namin dito sa bahay yung mga iba't ibang hamon ni Kuya. Kaya marunong na akong tumanggap ng mga criticism at the same time mga love from the people. Kaya ayun, yun po siguro yung financially, sana. Pero yes, I think naman makakatulong naman siya. I'm really, really grateful na naging parte po ako ng show na to, ng PBB journey na to. Kasi hindi ko na talaga alam anong plano ko kung wala ako. Kaya super happy po ako sa mga nangyayari sa buhay na yan. At sana walang mag-evil eye.
Yes! Thank you so much, Esnir. Marami ng projects na kumakata. Feel ko. Uy!
Stay lang.
Thank you so much, Esnir. Okay, ito naman for Ralph. Okay, ngayong lumabas ka na sa PBB House, are you still in touch with AZ? And kumusta na kayo?
Oh, yes. Actually, kanina mag-isama lang kami with all the other housemates. And yes, we still keep in touch. We were able to catch up a few times. And syempre, there's still a lot more to debrief about. There's still a lot more to talk about. And syempre, we're just enjoying each other's company.
Thanks so much, Ralph. Okay, last but not least for Brent. Okay, Brent, isa ka sa pilian sa recent MMFF launching. Ano ang feeling mo para sa mainit na pagtanggap ng mga tao sa iyo ngayon? Malaki ba ang pagkaiba kumpara noon?
Grabe yung experience yun, parang fever din yun. I didn't expect na ganun karami mag-show up dito para sa aming lahat. Kasi before, pag nag-show ako, siguro may ilan na siguro 20 people would show up, but now, hindi ko mabilang, hundreds talaga, if not thousands of people who showed up for us. Kaya, hopefully, di matapos yung ganong pakiramdam na I'm always gonna be grateful every time na it happens. But I'm sure yung love na nabigay nila sa akin, susukulian ko talaga yun. Yung matitigil magtrabaho ng mabuti, and mas magiging mabait pa ako, mas magiging humble.
Thank you so much, Brett. And grabe, we actually have here a big news for all of us here. Okay, trending in the Philippines right now, number 6 is Brett Takes the Spotlight. Number 13, Ralph on Spotlight. And 18 is Star Magic Spotlight River. Congratulations, guys. Yes, trending. Kanina din, si Bianca trending din siya sa Philippines. Thank you guys so much for watching us, Team Bahay. Okay, and thank you so much to Roldan Castro of Abante Tonight, Showbiz Police, and Marisol Academy tonight for your questions. Ngayon naman, okay, Gia Bote of When in Manila has your questions. Hi, Gia.
Hello. Congratulations rin pala. So, for River, ang question ko is, since you're tagged as the green flag of the season, is there a pressure that comes along with that label?
Actually, nagulat ako doon sa tag na yun. Siyempre, it's an honor to be called a green flag. But then when it comes to pressure, wala masyado. Kasi I guess throughout the season, I was just being myself, doing my own thing and doing what I want to do. And I guess moving forward, syempre, I'll continue being myself now. But it's an honor to be called a green flag.
Thank you, River. And then next for Esmir. Question ano? Okay, for Esmir, as a member of the LGBTQ community, there's often a pressure to excel or prove yourself to others. What's your biggest takeaway from the experience, and how will you carry these lessons moving forward?
Totropahin. Grabe yung tanong pang Q&A, no? But, yes, seriously speaking. Siguro, yung pressure talaga, andyan talaga yun siya ever since nung bata pa ako. Isa sa mga kinuwento ko dito sa bahay ni Kuya na I've been carrying the weight of being a member of LGBTQIA+ community ever since nung pagkabata ko. Tapos, natanggap ko siya, at the same time, I lived with it. Glory to God, Charing. Pero, ayun, nung andito ako, syempre, yung pressure, andyan pa rin, lalo na nung pinakauna, kasi what if ako yung magiging reason para i-hate yung community namin? What if may masabi ba ako dito mali? What if hindi nila ako tanggap? Pero at the same time, yung pinaka-lesson na natutunan ko dito is just the representation alone, at yun yung magmamatter sa akin, na hindi ko kailangan maging calculated, kumbaga. Kasi gusto ko lang ipakita sa kanila kung ano talaga ako at kung ano yung tunay na ako, ano yung tunay na kulay ko. At yung takeaway ko naman dito siguro sa mga kasama ko sa LGBTQIA+ community is that be unapologetically you. Ganon siguro talaga. At be authentic lang, kasi you don't have to, fit a mold to be enough. Kasi at the end of the day, you are still you. And what matters is your story, your truth, your existence, and no one can take that away from you, baby. Yes! Kaya, ayun. Siguro, mabuhay mga bakla, mabuhay pa. I'm so excited na sana may nagawa ako, kahit maliit lang for the community, at sana magpatuloy yung mga representation ng LGBTQIA+ community, lalo na sa Philippine media. So, yeah, thank you po.
Thank you, Esmir. Next naman is for Ralph. So, lagi mo nasasabi sa mga interviews mo na you want to focus on yourself, your individuality as an actor. So, what can we look forward to from you in the future?
Siyempre, it's gonna be a lot of work also. I'm gonna keep doing workshops, keep improving my craft. And I feel like bago ako pumasok, if ever magkaroon ng project, serye man yun ng movie, I really will prepare. Kasi I will not, again, like tulad ng pagpasok ulit dito sa bahay, kung sino man magtitiwala sa akin, I will make sure not to let them down. And I feel like I'll do the same with anything else I do in my life, whether it's sa work or sa relationships. And for sure, you're gonna see the best version of me when it comes to the screen.
Thank you, Ralph. And then last is for Brent. So, for Brent, You were a quiet and unwavering force inside the house, which was your strength kasi parang sasabi mo lagi na introverts ka. But at the same time, it was also a perceived weakness from the viewers. How will you use these traits after your PBB journey?
I guess I would say yung presence ko talaga dito sa Lumbay has always been intentional. Yung parang if may nasasabihin ako, may gagawin ako, gusto ko yung parang malaki yung magiging ambag ko sa mga nakasama ko, sa mga makakarinig na sasabihin ko. And ganoon naman talaga ako ever since, even before coming in, I've always been quiet. Pero when it mattered most, that's when I become louder. And ganun, pagkakatuloy yun sa labas. I'm gonna be loud when I need to, I'm gonna be quiet when I need to.
Thank you po, and congratulations sa inyong apat.
Thank you so much, Ms. Gia Bote of Buen in Manila. Okay, ngayon naman we have some questions from G. Trilliana of Malaya Business Insights. First is for Brent. Okay, Brent, anong moment sa bahay ni Kuya ang gusto mong balikan?
Moment na gusto kong balikan? Siguro yung big jump challenges. Kasi yun doon talaga nag-shift yung pananaw ko sa pagpasok sa PBB. Because I went in talaga just for introducing myself in the audience ng PBB. But during that time, doon ko na prove sa sarili ko na I really wanted a title. Na gusto ko din talaga palang maging big winner kasi hindi siya biro na akala ko dati pag naging big winner, siguro sinaswerte lang yan. Or malaki yung fan support sa labas dahil siguro nagandahan sila or nagka-love team. Pero mahirap din talaga siya. Sobrang hirap mapunta sa Big Four. Sobrang hirap manatili dito sa loob ng bahay for how many months and wala kang idea kung ano na mga binabato sa'yo sa labas. Hindi mo alam kung sirang-siraan na pala or you're doing things na you can't really be proud of. Pero yun, siguro yun, yung big jump challenges talaga yung pinaka-tumatak sa akin sa buong stadium.
Parang very, would you say life-changing, personality changing?
It was. As in, doon ko na, ever since like, pumasok ko dito, punong-puno talaga ako ng self-assurance. Pero nung na-experience ko yung mga big jump challenges, parang nagka-konting doubt na ako sa sarili ko na I'm meant to stay here. Like, I was willing to give up my spot before, ina-act lang. Pero I still felt like yung spot ko na yun, deserve ko rin naman. Pero during those times na big jump challenges kami, nung talaga naman, probably yung mga housemates mas magagawa ito ng maayos kumpara sa akin. But then, when we won that third challenge, doon ko na, okay, serving pa rin pala talaga.
Thank you so much, Brent. Kagaya ng sinabi mo kanina sa Kapamilya ex-housemates, not only do you get to know other people, other personalities, but grabe rin yung assurance sa sarili mo, getting to know yourself when you're inside the PPP house. So, we're so proud of you guys. Okay, thank you, Brent. Okay, ngayon naman for Ralph. What lesson did you learn during your journey in PPP?
The biggest lesson I learned talaga was trust in God's perfect timing. Yun talaga for me. Mas napalapit talaga ako to my faith here in the house kasi I can't run to anyone else with my problems or my thoughts. Who else better to go to than me? And syempre, for me also, grabe din yung naging journey ko dito. Grabe din, na-evade na ako lahat-lahat. Tapos nakabalik pa ako, tapos nakapasok pa ako ng Big Four. So all of that, I feel like is because of him also. And his timing talaga, everything will fall into place. And it's useless to worry tulad ng sinasabi natin is hindi na nasa loob pa kasi may plan din siya sa'yo. So when that comes, and just be patient, it will come, and what's meant for you is meant for you.
Thank you so much, Ralph. A great reminder for everyone, sa lahat na nanonood sa atin ngayon, you will know your purpose in time. Thank you so much, Ralph. Okay, ngayon naman, Asmir, do you still commute? Kamusta ang changes ngayon?
Sobrang random naman ang tanong. Related commute. Siguro, dito sa bahay, hindi. Pero paglabas ko sa outside world, na-realize ko mas lalo akong commute. Of course po, yan na po yung naging buhay ko ever since talaga nung nandito ako sa Manila. Always ako nagko-commute, always ako nag-aangkas, at hopefully ngayon, sana makabili na ako ng for transportation, pang sarili. At yes, I'm proud naman na nagko-commute ako, commute pa rin po ba tawag nung nag-grab and I'm sorry, grab. Yes, basta gano'n. Yes. Kaya mabuhay ang mga nagko-commute. Sana mas lalo kayo commute. Yes.
Thank you so much, Esnir. Mabuhay yung pag-commute, di ba? I love it. Okay, last not the least for River. Okay, River, what was the first thing you did when you got out of Kuya's house?
First thing I did when I got out of Kuya's house, syempre after party, muna tayo, tapos medyo late na natapos. So, pag-uwi ko talaga, syempre, I played with my dogs, it was nice to be home again. But then, I had to sleep right away kasi the next day, my work na kami. So, dire-diretso yung mga work namin for the past few days. So, happy naman.
Thank you, River. Booked and busy, diba? Ang Big Four natin. Thank you so much to G. Trilliana of Malaya Business Tonight. And last couple of questions we have here from Rod Magaro. Okay, this is for all of you. Okay, how do you want to be remembered on your first movie? Box office or acting award? Ooh. Okay, who wants to go first? River, ikaw muna.
Box office or acting award? Pwede ba both?
Yes.
Why not both? Pero if I were to choose, siguro, it would be an honor to get an acting award. Siyempre, yan talaga yung focus namin as actors. And ako dream ko rin na sana balang araw, makuha ko rin ng isang acting award. That's my dream talaga.
Okay, go Esnir.
Box office or acting award? Siguro Philippine Boxing Team. Para doon ako bagay. Hindi po siguro ngayon, of course, pinaka-dream ko po yung box office. Kasi syempre, quantity, ganyan, mas maraming taong tatangkilik at wala, nasabi lang pag maraming nakaka-panood ng craft mo at the rest will follow naman talaga if mapapatunayan mo yung sarili mo. Pero sobrang layo pa ng pangarap ko na yan at sana naman talaga makabox office ako or what. Pero ayun po, yun yung dream. That's the dream and we'll work for that.
Okay, Asia superstar Esnir. Ganon! I love it.
Yes, manifesting.
Thank you so much, Esnir. Okay, Ralph, go.
Ako naman, my dream talaga is box office. Kasi for me, that means that the whole movie did well. That the whole project as a whole, whether it's because of the production, if it's because of the actors, actresses, the directors, the art deck, everyone behind the scenes, it means that they all work together and the people love it. And doon ko talaga malalaman na okay yung ginagawa namin na as a whole, na-recognize kami, box office talaga yung content.
Overall awards. Thank you, Ralph. Okay, Brent, go.
I would say pareho din, pero syempre kasi yung acting award, parang validation yun sa mga pinaghirapan mo rin. With regards to box office, syempre it's for the Philippine cinema. Gusto mo talaga mag-drive yung industry natin, gusto mo mag-give back sa production, sa audience natin, bigyan sila ng magandang pelikula na tatanggulitin nila. Kaya yun, I would say box office.
Thank you so much, Brent. Grabe. Thank you so much to Rod Magaru for that question. Manifesting it for our Big Four, di ba? Acting awards and box office. Thank you so much. And thank you to our friends from the media. That concludes our Thank you so much. Big Four. Yes, thank you guys so much. And ngayon naman, of course, since we are about to end our press conference for today, I think it's time for us to bring back our Kapamilya ex-housemates to join us here. Okay, let's have our Big Four stand up muna. And now let's call on again our ex-housemates. Kira, Cyril, Ate Gulang,
yes!
And via Zoom, AC and Emilio. Ayun. Grabe ka na. Okay.
Nandito ka rin?
There you go. So again, we're joined here by our ex-Kapamilya housemates, our Big Four. And before we end, we have another big surprise for you guys. Let's watch this.
Wow! Wow, sobrang nakakaiyak actually. Parang nakakagiging emotional kami lahat dito. Kasi nalumparing lahat Naalala namin every guest, each guest kasi meron kami nagulong mga lessons. Iba't iba yung ibigay nila sa amin na memories, di ba? Diyan yung game night namin, si Michelle D, lahat ibang-iba yung nabigay sa amin mga memorya na hindi namin makakalimutan. So, sobrang nagpapasalamat po kami syempre sa lahat ng mga house guests na binisita kami lahat dito. Dahil, syempre diba, hindi naman madali yung bibisita sila dito. kilalang-kilala sila. So alam ko sobrang busy nila lahat. But still, gumawa sila ng time para sa amin lahat dito makasama kami lahat. And I hope sana nag-enjoy sila sa mistake nila at kasama kami lahat dito. And ayun, sobrang nagpapasalamat po ako. Nakakamiss yung boses ni Kuya. Nakakamiss. Guys, kahit parang may sipog siya dyan. Ayun, nakakamiss si Kuya lahat. Lahat po ng samahan namin dito, I know, sana manatili itong ganito tayo solid, guys. Siyempre, diba? I just wanna thank you all. So, ayun, sobrang maraming salamat po sa inyo, Kuya, sa lahat po na bumubuo ng PBB Collab. Maraming salamat po. Grabe po yung nabigay nyo sa aming opportunities. Ang dami-dami. Lumabas po kami dito na lahat, kami ibang-iba na lahat. Sobrang laki pong naitulong nyo sa amin lahat. Maraming salamat po. Kay Direk. Direk, thank you so much, Direk. Guwapo mo, Direk. Ayun, thank you so much po sa lahat po na bumubuo ng PBB Collab. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you so much, Ate Clam. And syempre, again, congratulations to you guys. A journey full of tears, laughter, lahat na everything in between. I'm sure you guys felt so many things inside dito sa bahay ni Kuya. And ngayon naman, of course, another surprise para sa inyo. We would like to now call on the head of ABS-CBN Production and Star Magic, Direk Lawrence Jockey.
Napakaingay na bahay na. Anyway, first of all, I'd like to thank everybody who's present here and watching online. Maraming pong salamat for being here today to witness our Thanksgiving. This is on behalf of Star Magic and ABS-CBN. Actually, we would like to thank first the team of PBB for doing a very successful show. To the house guests who went inside the house. But most importantly sa inyong sampung minamahal namin Star Magic artists. Thank you very much. You did a wonderful job. Alam niyo naman, this is one of the most successful edition, and it would not have been possible kundi dahil sa inyong sampung at syempre sa mga kasamahan natin ang puso artists, partner artists. Kanina tinatanong kaya remember you asked kung ano sana yung what do you want to be remembered for? Tama ba? Ikaw ba tinanong kanina? Sir? Oh, I hope you remember this season for a cast of wonderful artists and human beings. So more than anything, hindi po sila naging artista sa bahay na to. Sila po ay nagpakatotoo, sila po ay nagpakita ng kanilang kahinaan at kalakasan. And I hope people will find inspiration sa pinagdaanan nilang buhay, sa tapang na pinakita niyo. We would like to thank you for the courage. Alam ko may agam-agam ang ilan sa inyo bago pumasok na bahay na to. But you took on the challenge. You were courageous enough to share your life plan, especially you. I know it was daring step for you to do that. But I hope it was liberating also for you. And when I see you perform now, parang ibang-iba na yung nakikita ko. And I hope you all be humble, diba? Minahal kayo ng tao, and sana yung pagmamahal na yun, keep it, you keep that core memory. Kasi hindi na kung bahay na to, hindi natin alam kung hanggang kailan na lang to. You know, this is also up for not being with us for a long time. So again, maraming salamat sa inyo, AC, Emilio, mga nasa ibang bayan, nasa ibang lugar. Thank you for your participation. Thank you for being a housemate. You are really a wonderful set of housemates. At hindi kayo makakalimutan ng sambayanan dahil sa pinakita niyong samahan at pagmamahal sa isa't isa. Again, thank you very much. On behalf of your Star Magic family and ABS-CBN, maraming salamat.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much once again. Let's give it up for Direk Lawrence. Thank you, Direk. Thank you, Direk. Siyempre, ngayon naman, before we conclude our Spotlight press conference for tonight, it's time for you guys to thank all of your supporters. Starting things off with AC. Go ahead, AC.
Nagugulat ko ako lagi. Yes, gusto ko lang po magpasalamat sa lahat ng mga
want to thank Direct Lauren. I want to thank Star Magic, the PPP team, the cast and crew will now also become our family po. Sa mga kapuso housemates namin, my AC Natics who have been supporting me since the beginning and through all of this, nandun pa rin kayo. Yan po, and of course the media who have been taking their time to be there from the beginning of the season until now. Maraming salamat po. And to everyone who just supported the show, thank you po. It means a lot to all of us. Thank you for being on our journey with us.
Thank you, AC. Okay, Kira, go ahead.
Unang-una po sa lahat, thank you so much to all of our friends and the press for taking the time to be here with us. Thank you po Direk Lauren for giving us all this wonderful opportunity, this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, I would like to call it. Thank you to every single person na sumubaybay sa aming season, who laughed with us, who cried with us, and who supported us through trying times. I hope we were able to entertain you all, and this PBB journey may be over, but it will continue on individually. And I hope na kasama po namin kayo pa rin. So, yun, thank you so much to my dear housemates. I love you all. You guys know this. And I'm so excited to see how we will all grow individually. Thank you. Thank you so much, Kira. Go ahead. Okay lang. Thank you, Kira. Okay, next naman, Emilio.
Hello everybody, maraming salamat ulit kay Direk Lauren, Tito Cory, Tito Carlo, Tito Mark, of course sa ang buong PBB, of course the Sparkle, sa Anthony Gine, maraming salamat. Of course, from 10 fans to now, many more, maraming salamat to Emilio Buddies, Emilio Dad Squad, and all of the fandoms na patuloy and support. Maraming salamat po. Of course, last but not the least, my housemates. Mga ka-communes dyan, I love you guys so much. Maraming salamat.
Thank you, Emilio from Australia. Okay, next naman, Cyril, go ahead.
Ayan, gusto lang po namin na pasalamatan po yung mga nag-isip po ng mga makabuluhang tanong para po hindi lang malaman yung mga sagot namin, pero para bigyan na kami ng opportunity para ilabas yung mga side na hindi pa nakikita ng ibang tao ng namin. And gusto rin po namin pasalamatan ng isa't isa dahil naging support system po talaga namin yung isa't isa sa loob at sa labas po ng bahay within the season and after the season. And thank you rin po for hosting us. Thank you everyone na kasama po namin online. And thank you to Emilio and AC na kahit malayo sila, sinamahan ko rin for this.
Thank you, Cyril. Okay, Ate Clango.
Yes, gusto ko po syempre magpasalamat po sa lahat po ng press, sa buo ng press dito. Kaya maraming salamat po sa pagbisita, sa paglaan po ng oras para sa aming lahat. Ang gaganda po po ninyo. Thank you so much. And syempre, to my Star Magic family, maraming salamat po na rin. Thank you so much for Ate Francine. Taray na nalo. Sir Marcus, thank you so much. Maraming salamat po, Ate Patch. Sa lahat po ng sumuporta sa amin dito sa buong journey namin sa PBB Collab. And of course, Tita Cory, thank you so much. I love you, Tita Cory, Sir Carlo, thank you so much. Ayan, sa lahat po ng mga sumusuporta po sa amin, sumuporta sa buong journey po namin dito sa PBB Collab, Kapuso, Manong, Kapamilya, maraming salamat po. Sana po ay napasaya namin kayo sa loob ng 4 na buwan. Ayan po. So, maraming salamat po sa pagmamahal at sana po hindi po kayo magsawang sumuporta sa amin lahat. Lahat po kami dito. Ayan. And to all my fellow housemates, I love you all. Agwa!
Thank you so much, Ate Clang. Go, Bianx.
Ayan, first and foremost, we would like to thank everybody that is here today. Maraming salamat po sa time and effort. And to our ABS-CBN family, thank you for making this possible. We wouldn't have done this without your unconditional support. At salamat rin po sa pagtataya sa amin lahat. At sa lahat po ng sumusuporta sa amin, maraming salamat po. Ayun. Maraming salamat. We hope to see you soon. Magkita-kita po tayo soon sa Full Love concert.
My God! Sabi na
Ayun, and lastly, of course, to Kuya, mahal na mahal po namin kayo always and forever. And to my dear house.
housemates. I'm very, very proud of you all. I can't wait to see you all shine. So, ayun, thank you guys. Next.
Thank you, Bianx. Go River.
And first of all, thank you to the press for your time and for all the questions. And syempre, I just want to thank Direct Lauren, the ABS-CBN bosses, the GMA bosses, the PBB production team. Grabe kayo. None of this would have been possible without you guys. At syempre sa mga sumusuporta sa amin, lahat, maraming salamat talaga. Thank you for supporting us not just inside the house, pero dito rin sa outside world. Kaya thank you, and it's our time now to fight for you guys. And we hope to see you nga sa Araneta Coliseum for our concert. Thank you.
Thank you, River. Okay, go Isnir.
Yes! Maraming salamat po sa ating mga press! Thank you so much! Press to you guys and press to be to God, to y'all. Tapos, maraming salamat din po, of course, sa aming Star Magic family! Yes, ABS-CBN family, to our bosses, thank you so much. Thank you so much, sir, Magkamaham. Thank you po. Si Tita Cory, si Direct Lauren, Sir Mark, Sir Carlo, thank you so much po. And of course, to you. Maraming salamat for supporting us through our journey. Maraming salamat sa pagtanggap ng storya namin. Gusto ko din magpasalamat sa mga housemates ko, lalo na kay Mom. Thank you, Mom, kasi sinabi mong favorite mo ko. You ended all the rumors natin. At mahal ko kayong lahat, lalo na sa isa dyan. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. Dala namin kayo always. Okay, kumain kayo sa tamang oras. Huwag magpagutom. Okay, love y'all.
Thank you, Isnir. Okay, ito naman si Ralph. Go.
Sabi pa lang susundan niya. Ayun, so thank you so much sa lahat ng media and press na nagpunta dito. Siyempre sa lahat ng ABS Star Magic family namin, sa GMA family namin, and of course sa PBB, maraming salamat po sa pagtitiwala at the trust that you put in us will not go unwavered. Basta, ayun. So, yun sa minamahal po namin taong bayan. Yan, thank you so much. Isa pagsubaybay sa 4 months namin dito. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng suporta at pagmamahal na binigay niyo sa amin. At sa lahat ng housemates dito, I love you guys. Can't wait to perform with you guys sa Collab concert sa August 10. See you guys sa Araneta, everybody. We love ya.
Thank you so much, Ralph. Last but not the least, our big winner!
Siyempre, sa press po natin na nag-take po ng time ulit. Maraming pong salamat. To my Star Magic family, Direct Lauren, thank you so much po. Sa bumubuo ng production ng PBB, kayo po yung kasama namin na pupuyan dito. Maraming pong salamat, Ate Patch, Sir Marcos, thank you po. Sa mga housemates, maraming salamat. Bawal-bawal ko lahat ng mga kwento nyo dito, lahat ng mga na-share nyo sa akin, hindi ko kakalimutan. And then, syempre sa inyo, mga sumusuporta sa amin, maraming pong salamat. Lagi po sinasabi, wala kami dito ngayon, kundi dahil sa inyo. Kaya, sana masuportahan niyo din po kami sa paparating na concert namin sa August 10 sa Araneta Coliseum! Okay, yun po. Salamat po.
Thank you so much. Once again, guys, pinapakal po natin ang ating kapamilya housemates! Okay, once again, thank you guys so much for joining us, friends from the media. Team Bahay, thank you so much for joining us for our Star Magic Spotlight press conference with our PBB Collab housemates. Again, my name is Ayana Perlas, your host for the day. Thank you guys so much for joining us.